Hello everybody, today I'm here to teach you how to use Screencastify. This is a free and easy tool that allows you to record yourself as well as your screen to help walk your students through any activities or lessons that you are currently teaching them. So let's go ahead and jump right into the video, and I hope you guys enjoy it. Alright guys, so the first step that you want to do is search up screencastify.com. This is where you are going to download the extension, and just as a quick tip, you want to make sure that you use Google Chrome, because then it will automatically add the extension right here. This is my extension right here since I already downloaded it. So once you go onto the website, right here it will say installed or install because I already installed mine. Mine already says that. So go ahead and you're going to want to click on install, and then it should ask you a question, verify that you want to install it, and then it'll go ahead and add that extension right away. This will make sure that anytime you are ready to record, you just click on this extension and you will be ready. Alright, so now once that is installed, it should only take a few moments. You are going to want to make sure that you have a Google account, Gmail account. This will make it easier to sign into Screencastify. So you go ahead and you just log into your Google account. So for example, I will sign into mine, and then you pick your Gmail that you would like to use. Let me go ahead and sign into mine, and then that's it as far as signing up for Screencastify. They make it super easy. And as another quick tip, if you have an educational account, you can get unlimited storage. This will make it to where you don't fill up space on your personal accounts, and it makes it easier to save your videos as well as upload them. So once you are signed into your account, you are going to want to set the permissions. This basically is making sure that Screencastify has the permission to use your microphone, access to record your screen, and access to your webcam. They will also ask you questions, personal questions, such as like your education level, what you're using Screencastify for, and quick questions like that. So unfortunately, I can't really show you the permission settings as well as the personal questions just because I already have an account. But that's pretty self-explanatory as far as that. And then once you are done with that, you are ready to record. So like I said, once you are ready to record, you go ahead and click on this extension, and this is when it will pull up, for example, what you want to record. Do you want to have just your webcam, so it'll be just yourself? Do you want to record your desktop and your webcam, just your desktop, or just your microphone? You want to make sure that your microphone is like this. And then I currently have my webcam off, so if I wanted to turn it on, you just go ahead and click on that. And then I can also have my options. You can pick your countdown. You can have 3, 5, or 10 seconds. You can use your show drawing tools. So this will help to where you can draw on your screen that you are recording and highlight anything you would like the person watching your video to focus on. This will make it really easy if you're trying to emphasize anything, especially for your students. And then if you want to, we can also go to settings, so you can pick how big you want it, your resolution, the frame, auto stop, and you can also go here and you have your other options. This is where you can pick where you want your videos to be saved. Just as another tip, with a free account, they only let you do 5 minutes per video. With that said, you can either record multiple videos and then edit them and combine them, or you can make short videos for each assignment and just keep them under 5 minutes. As well as for other options for settings, you can pick your notifications, keyboard shortcuts, recording settings, privacy, and then the advanced settings. So these are all your personal preference. This is just what I have mine right now, and that's it for setting. All right, so I'll go ahead and just do a quick example of what it would look like once you're ready to record. So you just click that extension. I'll just go ahead and include my desktop as well as my microphone, and then you click record. It will ask you what screen you would like to record. You go ahead and click on the screen, it should be highlighted. Click share, go ahead and do that countdown for you. And now I'm currently recording my screen. And then once I am done, you just go ahead and click that extension again, and then you click pause. Well, I stopped it completely. You can either stop it completely, the stop will take you off your video, or if you pause it, you can quickly just pause it and resume to that same video. And then this is where it will take you. You can share it to Classroom, publish to YouTube. You can get an embed code if you want to put it on a website. And then you can download it, export it, and you can have a copy, shareable link. And you can also edit in Screencastify, which is really cool. And then you can also title it to whatever you would like. And that's it. It's pretty easy and simple.